Let me tell you why you're here. You're here because you know something. What you know you can't explain. But you feel it. You feel it. Trying to free your mind.
So, a 21-year-old college student used AI to decipher parts of an ancient papyrus scroll. It says a computer science student has managed to decipher the first word on an ancient Roman scroll carbonized by a Mount Vesuvius eruption with the help of AI. Now, this comes from Cyber News. I will link the article in the description. So, for his achievement, 21-year-old Luke Ferreter has won $40,000. But he should probably give AI the credit to help because it helped him identify a single word on the scroll, porphyris, an ancient Greek word for purple. The papyrus scroll, like hundreds of others discovered in the 1700s in the ancient Roman city of Herculaneum, probably butchered that, is still unopened. It's very fragile and will fall apart. So even reading a letter seemed impossible. But because of this cool new thing called CT scan technology, also known as virtual unwrapping, you can scan and see what's in a scroll without actually touching them. And AI helps enhance that and make it easier. So it says a Vesuvius challenge in which the winning student is a participant is a contest launched earlier in 2023 that offers money to anyone who can use AI to help decipher researcher scans, some of which still seemed empty of any symbols to the naked eye. So first you have the first guy who actually won $10,000 was Casey Hanmer. He found substantial evidence that there was ink in the scrolls, and there's this long blog post here of him detailing kind of what happened, and I'll also link this blog post in the description, and it kind of goes in details how he went through the process. Now, what's interesting is the $40,000 winner, Ferreter, created a machine learning algorithm, and that identified legible letters on a small segment of parchment. And it says the initiators of the Vesuvius Challenge, researchers of University of Kentucky, gifted him $40,000. It says a contestant of Vesuvius Challenge became the first person in 2,000 years to see an entire word from within an unopened scroll this August. And it says soon after that, a bunch of other people came in and started discovering stuff. So Youssef Nader identified the same word, and he got $10,000. But if you want to participate, this thing is still ongoing. There's a grand prize of $700,000 will be awarded to the first person that can read 4 passages of at least 140 characters. And it says apparently Nader has been able to generate a new image where many more letters are now visible. So if you are interested in this, you can still participate. But it's real interesting to see how people are using AI to discover things that are ancient. So let me know in the comments what you think about this. Did maybe you don't think the AI actually deciphered this word properly? I don't know. I'm not a Greek expert, so I don't know all these letters and stuff. But maybe this could be used to interpret, hieroglyphics or things that have been misinterpreted or misused over the years, and we've been taught certain things meant certain things, but really those words had different meaning. Maybe we could use it to look at some ancient, religious texts or things like that. But let me know in the comments what you think about this. If you're watching on Rumble, Odyssey, or YouTube, I greatly appreciate it. Thanks and take care.